Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by opening Winbox or Webfig and connecting to the router. This gives you direct access to interfaces. Once connected, make a quick backup and note the router OS version. Compatibility matters for queues and simple queues. Next, locate the exact interface names you will limit, for example Ether2 or Ether3. This ensures you apply rules to the right ports. Now that the prerequisites are set, proceed to create queue trees or simple queues to shape bandwidth. Next, create a new simple queue or queue tree depending on precision you need. Simple queues are faster to implement for per-interface limits. In the queue settings, set max limit for both RX and TX using BPS values, for example 10M and 5M. This directly caps throughput. Specify the target as the interface name or IP range to bind the limit. Make sure to order queues logically so more specific rules precede general ones. This avoids unintended traffic override. Finally, apply your configuration and immediately test from a client on the affected port using Speedest or iPerf to verify throughput. If you don't see limits, check that firewall mangle marks, queue parents, and priorities are correct. Queue order matters. Also inspect queue tree statistics and the router OS log for dropped packets or errors. If problems persist, revert to your backup, adjust markings or priorities, and reapply stepwise until the observed rates match the intended caps.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.